Hello English learners, it's another day together. Today, we are learning about transportation. When you want to go somewhere, you have different options. Take a train, drive a car, or you can catch a bus. Right now, we are at Haussmann Saint-Lazare station in Paris. This is what the train station looks like. Look at these platforms. This is where trains arrive and depart, and you can see train arrival. Let's learn some useful English phrases. I need to catch a train. Which platform is my train on? What time does the train depart? Remember, this is important tips. Always arrive 5 minutes before early to avoid missing your train. Okay, now it's your turn. Question: how about train station in your city? Pause and write your answer in the comments. Thank you for learning English with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons, and see you next time. Ciao.